finally got chance to sit in this tram.
Coming to Kolkata and traveling by different modes of transport is one of the checkpoint, and I think everyone should try. Tram, there is the oldest metro, there are local buses, there are a lot of like e-autos, e-rickshaws and all that. So coming to Kolkata, and if you want to do something adventurous, take all possible mode of transportation from the first metro, which is the oldest metro of our country, to the crazy bullock cart, not man rickshaw or metro or tram. So this is the place where you have to inquire that when the tram comes, and this is the stop, I think. And that is the oldest KC Das. The Kolkata is famous for sweets, and I think that is the oldest KC Das, which I'll be going right now. And these are the trams, this is a bus stand, a lot of other stuff. Got chance to sit in this tram after a long wait. It is really so slow. I feel I can run and I can walk faster than this, I feel. But feels good. I feel like I'm actually time traveling, and it was my biggest plan, and it's really nice the way how it's really empty first and foremost, very rare. But yeah, it's fun. You should see the crowd. Oh, people are actually boarding in. So one pro tip, just make sure you start from the origination point. From here, the Esplanade, that is the origination point, and it goes to Sham Bazaar, which this tram will be going. I don't know where's the other place, but it's damn slow, and it literally feel like someone is pulling on the road. It's so much cool, so much fun. I love it. It's just way too hot and still old age, but it's fun, totally fun. Just make sure you take care of your belongings and everything. I literally feel like I'm sitting on a bus ride or something, because this is how it feels, right? And it's literally empty. It's really awesome, fun, and literally stops like every 2 minutes. There is no honk, nothing. It just stops anything everywhere. And can you guys hear how loud and noisy this is? But it's so much fun. I'm enjoying the whole ride. It's the slowest, okay? And it literally goes near my hotel, which is near Sham Bazaar. And I'm really enjoying it because it's the last stop. And even if I doze off, it doesn't really matter. But Kolkata is too loud and noisy. So one good thing or bad thing about Kolkata, if you ask me personally, as of now, the transportation is awesome. I really like the way how they have maintained the old heritage and everything, so it's really good. But if you ask me what I don't like, it's the people. I don't know, whoever I've met, they're damn rude, like super rude, except for that one guy whom I met at the cab, who warned me not to go to Sonakatchi, but I don't know what I'll do. And told me a lot of pro tips, but it's really disappointing because people are so rude and the place is so dirty. But you have to enjoy the tram ride, because this is one of the toppest dream which I actually wanted, and the reason why I want to come to Kolkata, so it's fun. I also want to have that chart, which I will have later. Literally crossing in the middle of the woods. Let's sum up. If you want to ask me my whole mode of transportation, which is the best, I think tram is the coolest because they have this old origination or the touch of it, which is really good. And apart from this, if you ask me, the metro is also very cool because it's the oldest metro. Yes, I think it's the slowest, but I think it's an awesome experience which is not there in almost most of the other places of Kolkata. Not only Kolkata, even Chennai had, but they don't have it anymore. So I think this might also discontinue very soon because I think this is like it's really empty and I don't find people at all, and the service is also very slow because obviously it's a tram and traffic in Kolkata is crazy, so loud, honky 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 always. So and apart from this, yes, there is this human rickshaw where this human guy or the man actually pulls the rickshaw. That is another service. There are e-autos and e-rickshaws, and there is metro, which I've already spoken, is the oldest metro. And apart from that, we have the bus, which is also an adventure. They have mini bus and the normal bus. I think both are the same. I didn't find any difference. So there's the human rickshaw I was talking about. That was the human rickshaw which I was talking about, so I definitely want to experience that. Maybe tomorrow I'll try going. But biggest disadvantage of this whole city is that people are literally so rude, and the yellow taxis are damn costly, like super costly. This one, so that taxi is the costliest. I don't know why it's so costly. And apart from that, they will try to make a fool out of you because they obviously know that you're not of high quality and all that. So it's on you how you be careful. And I think that's it about the whole transportation services of Kolkata, which you must try. So tram is number one for me as of now, and then the oldest metro, and then the human rickshaw. Then rest all is very common in rest of the place.